In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to search tables in Coda, so you can instantly find any record in your documents without endless scrolling. If you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing any kind of data in Coda, the search feature is one of the most powerful time savers you'll use. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to coda.io. You'll be greeted by the sign-in screen, where you can log in using your email and password, or if you prefer, you can sign in with your Google account, Apple ID, or Microsoft account, whatever method you've linked to your Coda workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main documents page, sometimes called the doc list. This is where all of your Coda documents live, and it's your home base for everything you create. From here, open the document that contains the table you want to search. Coda documents can contain many pages, like a notebook with different sections, so you'll need to navigate to the specific page where your target table is located. Use the sidebar on the left side of the screen. It lists all the pages within that document. Just click on the page name and the content will load in the main area. If your document has a lot of pages, you can scroll through the sidebar or even use the document level search. But for now, focus on finding the page that holds the table you need to work with. Once that page is open, look for the table you want to search. Now, Coda tables are interactive and can be quite large, with hundreds or even thousands of rows. The search bar you're looking for is located in the upper right corner of the table itself, not in your browser's menu, not in the document header, but right within the table area. It usually appears as a small magnifying glass icon or a faint text field that says search or find. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse over the top right portion of the table and it will appear. Click inside that search bar to activate it and you'll see a blinking cursor ready for your input. Now type the word, phrase, or value you want to find. This could be a person's name, a task description, a project ID number, a date, or any other text or number that exists somewhere in your table. As you begin typing, Coda immediately starts filtering the table in real time. This is the magic of live search. Every character you type narrows down the results, and only the rows that contain your search term will remain visible. For example, if you type MAR and you have a row with marketing and another with March 15th, both will show because they match. If you type marketing completely, only rows with that exact word will appear. Take a moment to review the search results. The table now shows only the matching rows, and every other row is temporarily hidden. This makes it incredibly fast to locate the specific record you are looking for. If you don't see what you need, you can refine your search by entering a more specific keyword. For instance, if you searched for Smith and got too many results, try John Smith, or even Smith John, depending on how your data is formatted. Remember that Coda searches across all columns in the table, so if your name is in a contact name column and your task is in a task title column, both will be searched simultaneously. This is a best practice tip. The more unique your search term, the fewer results you'll have to sift through. When you're done and want to return to the full table view, simply clear the search field. You can do this by deleting the text manually using your keyboard's backspace or delete key. Or if your search bar has a small X or clear button, click that. Instantly, all rows will reappear and your table will be back to its normal unfiltered state. It's important to understand that searching only changes what is currently displayed. It does not modify, delete, or permanently hide any of your data. Your information is completely safe. Coda automatically updates the results as you type, so there's no need to press enter or click a separate search button. The filtering is instantaneous and dynamic. One common pitfall beginners run into is assuming search is broken if no results appear. Often it's a spelling issue. Coda matches your exact text, so double check your spelling, capitalization, or if your data uses abbreviations. Also note that search is case insensitive by default, meaning task and task will both match. If you still get no results, the value you're looking for might simply not exist in the table, or it might be in a linked table within a different page of your document. In that case, navigate to the relevant page first. Beyond the basics, here are a few expert tips to make your searching even more powerful. First, combine searching with Coda's built-in column filters and sorting options. After you search for a term, you can further sort the filtered results alphabetically or by date, or apply additional column filters to narrow down even more. This layered approach is incredibly useful when managing large datasets. Second, use search regularly as a habit. It's much faster than scrolling through rows manually, especially when your tables grow. Finally, remember that searching only affects the current table view on the page you're on. It does not change any underlying data or affect other tables in your document. You have now successfully learned how to search tables in Coda, and you can see how this simple feature transforms the way you navigate your data. Instead of aimlessly scrolling, you can jump directly to the record you need, saving time and reducing frustration. As a helpful next step, try practicing on a table with at least 100 rows to get comfortable with how the filtering responds. You can also explore the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F or Command+F to quickly jump into the search bar. If this lesson was useful, consider saving this video to come back to whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy searching.